in Aurora Metro Station.
Y'all already know.
Aurora bitches.
We're going
To Chicago on a train.
You got that ticket still?
Yeah, girl, right here.
Yeah, we're going to Chicago.
For the very first time.
Yeah, and we're going
Together, you know, Melly and Tia all day, every day.
Y'all already know.
But we gotta wait, like half an hour.
Anyways, but yeah, we're going downtown Chicago, explore the city, and have adventures.
Hell yeah. It's Melly and Tio. Hi, What's your name?
My name's Devin.
Okay, what are you doing?
I'm going to Chicago. You guys like to go?
We're already going.
Are you already going?
Yeah, let's be on the bus.
Alright, must be the 1220.
Yeah, dude. Oh my god, we got a fan.
And he watches us from his floor. Damn, that's how crazy nigga. Damn.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Catch us up because we're gonna do one on the train.
Yeah, but share, like, subscribe. You already know the drill.
Peace.